Welcome! In today's tutorial, I'll show you step-by-step how to allow your owner channel to manage video chats on Telegram Web on your PC. This is part of the latest Telegram update, and it's a quick but very useful setting to know, especially if you manage a channel and want full control over live video sessions. Let's get started. First, open Telegram Web on your browser and log into your account. Once you're in, go to the channel that you want to adjust the settings for. Take a moment to make sure you're inside the correct channel, because these permissions apply specifically to the one you're viewing. Now, look at the top left corner of the page. You'll see three horizontal lines, the familiar menu icon. Click on it to open the main menu. From here, scroll down and select Edit. This is where you can customize your channel's settings. Inside the editing section, find and click on Administrators. This is where Telegram lists all the users who help you manage the channel, including the owner and any added admins. Now find the owner's profile from the list and click on it. Inside the owner's permission settings, you'll see a variety of management options, everything from posting messages to deleting content. What we're looking for is the option labeled Manage Video Chats. This feature allows the owner to start, control, and manage live video discussions or streams within your channel. To enable it, simply check the box next to Manage Video Chats. Once it's checked, make sure to apply the change by clicking the tick icon at the top of the window. Telegram will instantly save your new settings. And that's it. Your channel owner now has permission to manage video chats directly from Telegram Web.